hot and smell good. Look, oh my gosh. Oh my lovely. Mmm. 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 Very nice. I'm telling you, very, very nice. Look, well done. Juicy and nice. Hey guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. Yes, I am here again. I just want to thank you all for journeying with me this far. Thank you for your subscribing. Thank you for viewing. Okay, I pray that God may continue as you continue to watch my video. Just continue to subscribe. Tell a friend, and a friend will tell another friend. Okay, and it will be go on. Come on, man. Let me through. I am here with some nice snapper. This is yellowtail snapper. And I'm going to bake snapper. Okay? I'm going to stuff them with callaloo over here. And my okra. Okay, this is the season for some of my callaloo. And this is my dry season for my fish. Okay? This is 1.5 tablespoons full of Obey. Okay, this is a tablespoonful of this tropical season here. Okay, and this is Mr. Dash, 1.5 tablespoons, and this is black pepper, 1 tablespoon, and this is some salt, 1 teaspoon. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to combine all my season together in this container. Yes, and I'm going to season my fish, let it sit for a little while, and then I will prepare my callaloo and my okra. Okay? All right, stay tuned. Clean up my fish them nicely already, okay? I'm gonna put some season here. Belly. Just season up your fish nicely. That's all it needs. Just season up them nicely. All right. Cover my fish. To cook my callaloo a little, cook my callaloo a little to go in the fish. Okay, and here's my file paper and my wrap here. Yes. Wash already. I'm just gonna dip some hide in my pot. Not much. Yes. This is garlic. I don't have to put a lot. I'm not putting all of what I have here because it's not a lot of callaloo. Okay, I have some of the season from the fish. So what I do, I'm going to just sprinkle some on here. Salt and everything in it. Okay. Got my okra in the pot. And then I put my callaloo. Nice. Okay. Do it, see, nicely done. Nicely done. So I'm going to stuff my fish now. Okay, I am ready to go. Okay, I'm start. Yes, I'm going to spray first. Yes, I spray my parchment paper. Yeah. I get my fish over here. I put it here. And I put some callaloo in the belly here. Yeah, you don't have to pack it up with a lot of callaloo, okay? And make sure you have 1 okra, okay? This will do it for this one, okay? There you go. You're gonna wrap it here. Make sure this part here come right up here. This part come down here. Yeah. Yes, that's good. You do the same with the file paper, like this. You bring it up that the juice don't come out. And you wrap it there, and you drop this here, come round, and there you go. There you go, nicely. Okay, ready to go in the oven. See it? Yes, this is. I'm gonna put it on 350. Okay, 20 on one side and 20 minutes on the other side. So here goes my fish in the oven. Yes. Okay, I'm checking back with my fish. They smell so good. You see it? None of them is leaking. You see it? I can use them to turn them like this. You see it? None of them leaking. Okay, I think my fish ready. Let me check it. Yeah. Oh, wow. I can smell. I can smell. All right. I'm going to bring a plate over here. I'm going to test one, okay? Yes. Wait. It's hot. It is hot. Wow. You see the steam coming from it? It's hot and smell good. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh my lovely. Lovely. Okay. I'm gonna see if I transfer. Okay. I don't have to put no more than one. Oh no. Oh yes. Nice juice. Nice juice. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. Wow. Look at my callaloo. This is my fish. Look. Oh my gosh. Look at my fish. Just remember to like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Tell a friend, and a friend will tell another one. Very nice.